How to cancel one item on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can cancel one item on Shein. So if you only want to cancel one particular item on Shein when you've actually ordered two items at the same time, then what you'll have to do is just go ahead and log in into your Shein account and then go to the me icon located right at the bottom and go to my orders by tapping on view all. After you've done that, you'll be able to find a product that you've actually ordered. So in my case, let's say that if I've ordered two products at the same time, and between them you actually want to cancel the one of the product. So all you have to do is just go ahead and select the particular product that you actually wished, or you can just go to the order detail, and then you'll be able to see an option or a small checkbox icon which you actually want to keep and which you actually want to cancel. Just go ahead and select the particular item that you actually wish to cancel and give a valid reason for doing it. So and accordingly you'll be asked to give a reason and all that, and that's basically how you can cancel one of the item on Shein. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.